So this is the graphical user interface which I created in Python using TKinter, which is a module which comes with Python. And what TKinter is, it basically creates a window which is independent of any browser. This window is autonomous, and within the window you can have various widgets like buttons, text fields, combo boxes, labels, etc. So there are various buttons to enable you to clear all the fields, to be emptied of everything, add a record, delete a record, update a record, or display all records. So let's click this one. That displays all the records in the database, and this is dummy data which we've just created for the purpose of the project. So you can find a film by ID. If I just type in a random number, say 12, and that finds the film with the ID of 12. You can then modify that if you want. So any of these fields can be modified. So for example, I could change the rating. Let's change that to PG, update the record, and you can see that's changed to PG. I could change the genre to, so let's say drama, update record, and that's now changed. You can delete a record just by knowing the ID. All you have to do is put the ID in the box and you can delete. To add a record, basically the ID field is auto increment, which means when you add a record you don't need to fill in the ID. You can just fill in all the boxes and add a record, and it will create the ID number. So on this side there are several customizable searches. So for example, if I want to search by genre, film genre, let's say mystery, find all the films with a genre of mystery, and there they are. They're all the films in the database with mystery genre. If I want to search by a particular year, let's say I accidentally put in a year which is obviously not correct. We get this warning message to redo that. So let's put in, say, 2012, and that tells us there's 2 films there. That's a duplicate entry, so what we'll do is choose ID 50, delete record. Now if we display all records, let's check, ID 50 is gone. So another search is to do a search by film rating. So let's say we want to find all the 18 rated films. We've got all the list of 18 rated films there. So that is basically the GUI which was programmed in Python.